Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming backups and choosing the disk to alter so you avoid data loss. Open Disk Management on Windows or boot a live USB with gparted. These tools let you resize and create partitions. Once done, shrink an existing volume or select unallocated space. Make sure to leave a small safety margin for alignment. You do this because proper sizing and alignment prevent performance issues and ensure the new drive will be recognized by the system. Next, create the actual partition and apply a file system so the OS can use it. Select the new partition, pick NTFS for Windows, X4 for Linux, or XFAT for cross-platform use. Choose a clear label to find it later. Once selected, set allocation unit size only if you have specific workload needs, otherwise accept defaults. Then commit the operations and wait for completion. Interrupting can corrupt data, so be patient until the tool reports success. Finally, mount the new partition and make it accessible. On Windows, assign a drive letter. On Linux, create a mount point and add an entry to /etc/fstab for auto mount. Test by copying files and verifying permissions and speed so you confirm reliability. If you see errors, stop using the disk, check Smart Diagnostics, then run chkdsk on Windows or fsck on Linux. If problems persist, restore from backup and consider reformatting or replacing the drive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.